Hey guys, I have another interesting tutorial here that you should know the different options on how to uninstall apps or to completely remove a program in your PC or laptop using Windows 10. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I have here the different icons or the different programs installed in this computer, and suppose I want to remove SPC here, this program SPC. Okay, the first option from the taskbar, just click on the taskbar, then scroll it down all the way to that application SPC. So click SPC, then you'll see the apps here, the icon. So right click and then choose or click uninstall. So once you click uninstall, then follow the rest of the instructions to completely remove this program. Okay, the next option on the search box, so click on the search box if you want to uninstall or if you want to remove that program through control panel. So you can type control panel. Okay, so control panel, so just click on control panel and you will see there the different items under control panel. So then choose or click programs and features. Okay, so from there, then scroll it down, then click this program. Okay, this is the SPC. Then if you want to completely remove this one, then click uninstall. So once you click uninstall or change this program, then follow the rest of the instructions to completely remove this app or program. Okay, now there's another option. Again, in the taskbar, so just right click the start button, then all the way to apps and features, then apps and features. Okay, so just scroll it down, then look for that program or app that you want to remove. Then okay, SPC, then click on it, then click uninstall. So once you click uninstall, then follow the rest of the instructions to completely remove this program. Okay, now there will be again another option, probably the easiest option for you to uninstall that particular app or program. So on the taskbar, click the search box, then just type the apps itself, the title or the title of that app. So SPC. Okay, there you are, and then you see the uninstall. Okay, so uninstall, click on it, then follow that one. So just click on the search programs on the upper top corner. So SPC CCYY, click on it, and then okay, this is the program that you want to uninstall. So just click on it and then click on uninstall change. So once you click this uninstall, then just follow the rest of the instructions to completely remove this program. Okay, so those are the different options on how to uninstall a particular app or program in your computer. Okay, so that's it, and thanks for watching.